Subcribe.
Hey, I'm super excited to bring you little Tikes Splish and Splash sink and stove. That was a mouthful. The best part about this sink is it actually pumps water. And over here on the stove, the little knobs actually click. I can't wait to get started. Let's open the box. Ooh, here's our sink and everything that comes with it. Here are the instructions. And here's our faucet. This is where it's going to pump water. I'll assemble it in a bit. First, let's look at these accessories. Looks like it comes with a bunch of stuff. We have 2 plates, 2 forks, 2 spoons, 2 knives, 2 cups. Oh yes, and a cooking pan. Let's see what's wrapped up in here. Ooh, tongs. This is going to be really useful for cooking. This looks like a spatula. Yep, it is. Here's the plug for our sink. And in here we have 3 screws. Our stove comes with 2 places to cook. And the top of the sink and stove comes apart. That's where our water is going to go. And it's a great place to store your accessories if you're not playing with it. Now let's assemble our faucet. Down here there's 3 spots where those screws need to go. Over here, one over here, and here. And we'll need a little screwdriver to tighten it. We'll be turning the screwdriver to the right. Alright, that assembly was pretty easy. Now let's bring back our sink. And all we do is push this down here. And now we're ready to get cooking. We'll put our pan over here and the plug down here. Let's fill the sink with water to see if the plug works. So far, so good. Cool, now we have a sink of water. Now to drain the water, all we do is lift it up. Now the water's underneath the sink. Let's get to cooking. I'll turn on the stove and we can make the most important meal of the day, breakfast. I'll start off with an egg. I think I'm gonna make my egg over easy. How do you guys like your eggs? Now we're gonna attempt to flip our egg. Are you guys ready? Woo! Oh yeah, double flip. And our egg is ready. Now I'll make some potato to go with the egg. But first we have to wash our potato. And we get to finally try out this sink. We just push this down here and water pumps out. That is super cool. Now that our potato's all clean, let's cut it up. We'll turn back on our stove and start cooking our potatoes. I actually prefer hash browns, but today we'll be making some country potatoes. We'll give them a little flip so they cook evenly on both sides. Our potatoes are done. That's a pretty hearty breakfast. But I don't know about you guys, I like some sweets with my breakfast. So let's make one of my favorites, pancakes. There's our first pancake. And do I dare try to flip this pancake? Yes, I do. Woo! Things are getting a little crazy. That was one perfectly cooked pancake. Let's make another one. Should I flip it again? No, I'll just use a spatula this time. Things were a little wild last time. And here's our second pancake. Breakfast is served. Here's our pancakes, our eggs and potato, and I'll set this up for 2. I like some butter with my pancakes, and topped with blueberries. What do you guys like on your pancakes? Ah, a blueberry's trying to escape. Get back here. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so eat up, everyone. That was yummy. Now it's time to do the dishes. We'll put everything in our sink and get our sponge. We'll wash the pan first. I have this super cute Doc McStuffin sponge. Doing the dishes is a great way to tell your mom thanks for dinner, and it's just a great way to help around the house. How many of you guys do dishes as one of your chores? Now we'll wash the plates. Make sure to get it on both sides. Now I'll wash the knives. And lastly, we'll do the forks. Woo! Good job, everyone! Now all we have to do is drain the water. Well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.